Hello little kids, today we are painting house. Dark brown color, dark green color, purple color, orange color, yellow color, sky blue color, light green color, dark pink color,